Okay, good afternoon. My name is Michelle Arias, and today we are going to talk about past model lessons plans. This lesson plan is created for students for second baccalaureate, and it lasts 45 minutes. So, in this plan, the objectives of these plans in the listening part is that students will be able to recognize the past models by listening a conversation. Then in speaking, they will be able to identify and use the past models in conversations to deduce, speculate, or make guesses in the past. In reading, they are going to recognize the using of past models by a written song about appearance. And in writing, they are going to identify the grammatical structure of the past models by ordering the sentences. In this lesson, the methodology that we are going to use are the flipped classroom method. That is a method that consists in that a student is the center of their own learning. So teachers are the guides of the students. They are in charge to give them good materials so they can have significant learning. And obviously in classes, teachers are going to give students complete feedback of the topic that they are seeing, that they are learning. Also, this is the main methodology that we are going to use, but we are going to complement with other methodologies like the audiolingual method or the direct method, and the task-based method, the communicative language teaching method. In this case, in this strategy, we are going to use the student's book, the CD of the student's book. We're going to use a worksheet of a song that is called Beauty, a little ball, some sentence cards, and also the students are going to work in group and individually. So I choose this type of materials because I like that students analyze from other sources the topic, and also that learn how to solve certain problems that appear in the process of the class. So as an introductory set, okay, the teacher is going to start the class by playing a game with the students. So the teacher is going to throw the ball to different students, and they have to tell examples about healthy and unhealthy habits, and the teacher are going to write them on the board. Okay, this is because in this topic also we are going to talk about the healthy and about a healthy life. That includes the environment and the habits that we have, healthy or unhealthy habits that we have. So then, as a warm-up activity, the teacher is going to write on the board 3 sentences. Okay, that are she must have done exercise all the morning. Peter could have eaten fast food, and they might never have smoked in parties. So students individually are going to analyze these sentences and are going to answer the following question. in what cases we use must, could, and might. So this activity allows students to analyze how we use the past models or how they think we can use the past models. So this is a first sign that they are going to have about the past models. Later, as a second activity, students are going to listen a conversation about healthy habits in their students' books on page 22. So they have to complete the exercise below, and then the whole class is going to check the answer by listening again all the conversation. Okay, so this is like an individual first, an individual work, and then like all the class is going to listen as a group work. Then in the third activity, in groups, students are going to read a song about a beauty. Then each group is going to comment about the song using the past models. That is a activity allows a student to improve their speaking skills and develop the way they give their opinions about a topic. Besides, the teacher is going to explain the grammatical structure of the past models, and she's going to use an informative poster so they can understand in a better way, and to improve their writing skills. Students are going to work in groups, so they are going to have a package of sentence cards, and they have to put in order that sentences. And then they are going all together are going to analyze their structure, and they are going to discuss if the sentence is correctly ordered or not. So with this, they are going to develop their knowledge about the past models, and as you can see, the teacher is only the guide of the activities, but at the same time she gave a feedback of the topic. So as you can see in the modeling, the worm activity allows a student to analyze the questions so they can improve their speaking skills. Then in the second activity, so they are going to listen a conversation, they are going to improve their listening skills to achieve their goals. And in the third activity, they are going to read, so they are going to improve their reading and their pronunciation. And finally, with put in order the sentences, they are going to develop their writing skills. So they can analyze the grammatical structures, and they are going to learn how to make a good sentence. Okay? All these activities are going to be guided by the teacher, by monitoring. The teacher are going to be monitoring in each activity their pronunciation, their form of speaking. They are going to checking the part of writing, so they are going to be helping to every student. Okay, so and as practice, as a homework, students are going to complete the exercise 3 and 4 of pages 23. So these are going to help them in writing skills. Okay. These activities are going to help teacher assess the students in the basically in the reading activity, because it shows if the students know how to use the past models, and in the writing activity, because in this case as teachers we can see if a student understand how to form good sentences using past models. Okay, and to close in the class, students are going to do an oral exercise where they have to think sentences with past models using healthy and unhealthy habits, and also the teacher is going to ask some questions about the grammar part. So how we form the past models, or when do we use it. Okay, so I hope you can apply this lesson plan. Thank you.